Welcome to Fuerteventura and the Destination Perfect channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. Travel connects us, fills our hearts, and today we're in the stunning Morro Jable. This place is pure sunshine, endless beaches, friendly faces, and a touch of magic. We'll explore iconic landmarks and hidden gems together. So grab your sunglasses and get ready. Let's dive into the best of Morro Jable. Are you ready? Let's go! First stop, Playa de Matorral, the dream beach of Fuerteventura. The sand is golden and soft, stretching for miles, and the turquoise water is crystal clear. It's calm, inviting, and perfect for a swim or just floating your worries away. Families build sandcastles, couples stroll, and everyone finds their own slice of paradise. This isn't a party beach, it's pure relaxation. Bring a picnic, soak up the sun, and let the sound of the waves wash over you. The scale is breathtaking. Beach as far as you can see. It's a place to reconnect with nature and yourself. Don't rush. Spend the day here and let Playa de Matorral work its magic. Swim, walk, nap, do what makes you happy. This is happiness, simple and pure. Listen closely, and you'll hear the sand whisper, "Stay a little longer. You deserve it." Next, the Morro Jable Lighthouse, a true island icon. It stands tall at the edge of the beach, a striking white tower against the blue sky. Walking up the promenade, you feel its presence grow. Lighthouses are symbols of hope and guidance, and this one has watched over countless sailors. The views here are spectacular, coastline stretching endlessly, sea breeze on your face. Take a moment to appreciate its history and purpose. Imagine the lighthouse keeper, tending the light through wild nights. This isn't just a building. It's a collection of stories and a symbol of strength. Walk around, touch the stone, and look out at the vast ocean. It's the heart of the coastline. More than a photo op, it's a reminder of the enduring spirit of Fuerteventura. Let it inspire you. What a place. Now, something truly special. The Turtle Nursery, a real conservation center in the harbor. Here, injured loggerhead turtles are rescued, healed, and released back to the wild. Dedicated vets and volunteers give these ancient creatures a second chance. Seeing them up close is humbling. They've survived for millions of years. The center also reintroduces turtles to Fuerteventura, hatching eggs and releasing babies to the sea. It's a long-term vision to restore the ecosystem. Visiting is uplifting. You witness real conservation in action. You leave with hope and a deeper appreciation for marine life. Support the people making a difference. Kindness is the best medicine for turtles and for us. Time for the lively heart of Morro Jable, the Avenida Marítima. This seaside promenade buzzes with life, laughter, and the scent of delicious food. On one side, endless ocean views. On the other, vibrant shops and cafes. Locals and tourists mingle, kids play, and fishermen work by the harbor. It's the perfect place for a stroll, a coffee, or a seafood feast. Walk the length of the avenue, from Old Town to Lighthouse. Don't rush. Stop for a drink, browse a shop, or just people watch. This is the town's living room, where everyone is welcome. The Avenida Marítima is the social hub, authentic, welcoming, and full of energy. Soak up the atmosphere and make yourself at home. And if you spot fresh calamari, you know where to find me. Let's eat. Ready for adventure? We're heading to wild, untamed Cofete Beach. The journey is rugged, winding dirt roads over the Jandía mountains. At the top, the view is jaw-dropping. A vast golden beach backed by towering peaks. This is nature at its rawest. Powerful waves, strong currents, and endless sand. It's not for swimming, but for walking, contemplating, and feeling the power of the elements. No hotels, no shops, just pure wilderness. There's a remote cemetery and the mysterious Villa Winter, adding to the mystique. Cofete is for adventurers and dreamers, seeking beauty in its wildest form. It commands respect and awe. Mother Nature's masterpiece, found in the most remote places. Visiting Cofete is a pilgrimage, an unforgettable experience. It stays with you long after you leave, perfect in its imperfection. After wild Cofete, let's return to the soul of Morro Jable, the old town. This historic fishing village is a maze of narrow streets, whitewashed houses, and vibrant flowers. Get lost on purpose, every corner reveals something new. Locals live here. You'll hear daily life and see fishermen heading to the harbor. It's authentic, genuine, and full of charm. The food is incredible. Family-run restaurants serve fresh fish and Canarian classics. Sit on a terrace, enjoy grilled octopus or papas arrugadas, and soak in the atmosphere. The old town is a reminder to wander off the main path and discover real beauty. It's peaceful, delicious, and the cozy heart of Morro Jable. I could wander here for hours. For our final adventure, we head to Punta Jandía, the island's southernmost tip. The drive is rugged, through volcanic landscapes and tiny fishing hamlets. At the end stands the Punta Jandía Lighthouse, where east and west coasts meet. The wind is fierce, the ocean wild, and the sense of isolation profound. Here, you're surrounded by sea on three sides, just you and the elements. The sunsets are legendary, unobstructed, painting the sky in vivid colors. It's humbling and exhilarating, a place for deep thoughts and pure magic. The visitor center tells the lighthouse's story, but the real attraction is the feeling of being at the world's edge. Climb the volcanic rocks, gaze at the horizon, and let the moment sink in. It's the perfect finale to a day of wild exploration. A true perfect moment. That's Morro Jable. Golden beaches, wild landscapes, charming old streets, and unforgettable moments. This place is all about connection with nature, people, and joy. Fuerteventura reminds you to slow down and savor the simple things. If you get the chance, come make your own memories and adventures. Thanks for joining me. Remember to be open, kind, and always hungry for more. Until the next adventure, friends.